garlic chopped, chilies chopped. I can tell you now there's some heat in this pan, and I don't mean cooking heat. I can smell all that chili and garlic coming out of there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. I'm going to show you how to make a curry that shocks the world. We are using ketchup. Oh no, you can't use ketchup. Why? Okay, some curries you can get away with using ketchup instead of tomato puree. The curries you can get away with are garlic chili chicken, Vindaloo, Madras. Why Madras? Well, Madras is sour, it's sweet, it's tomatoey. Hey, come on. Okay, flame on under that pan. In with some oil. Now, there's about 4 tablespoons there because we're going to use the oil and carry on using the oil. Okay, a couple of cloves of garlic which have been halved and a lot of sliced garlic. Right, the flame does not want to be too high for this. Okay, we just want to put a little bit of cooking on that garlic. We're getting rid of that rawness without browning this too much. Flame off. Be quick. As you can see, garlic out. So that's our garlic. A little bit of colour on there. Put to one side. Now we are going in this pan with 2 tablespoons of garlic. Give it a whiz round. Oh. In with our green chilies. Oh, garlic and chili. In with our whole bunch of spices. Full description in the description. Let's cook it out. Flame about that high. Can I put that behind there? Will you be able to see it? Nope. Anyway, flame reasonable. In there with some onion paste. Stir it around. Let it cook. Let it set up those flavors in there. In with our chicken. Oh. Start to cook your chicken in there with those spices and that onion paste. So just cook that chicken a bit in there. Are you mad? Give it some water. In with some more water. A bit more water. In with some coriander. In with our sliced garlic. Just cook it down to the consistency that you want. In with some tomato. Oh, look in there. Flame off. Whew. I can tell you now there's some heat in this pan, and I don't mean cooking heat. I can smell all that chili and garlic coming out of there. Whew. Right, let's serve it up. Oh, get some of that chili sauce on there. Some chicken. Oh. Oh. And your bit of tomato. Look at that. Let's give the chicken a go. Oh, perfectly cooked chicken. Bit of sauce. Oh, it's steaming hot, this. Oh. Chicken, wonderful. Let's taste this sauce. Oh, all sauce, it's boiling hot. Look at the steam. What does it taste like? It tastes spicy, slightly sweet, slightly sour, very garlicky. Oh, that is a garlic chili chicken. Wow, now that is having a dew on. I am absolutely roasting. This is spicy as heck. Watch on the spice. If you don't like too much garlic, take the garlic down. That is amazing. That really is amazing. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. And if you think I'm mad, you're right.